Creating a Google Adsense account. Hey there everyone, let's move on to the next step, which is to actually create your own Google Adsense account, from where you'll be able to retrieve the ad code that will allow you to insert AdSense ads on your site. Alright, so the first thing that you'll need is to have a Google account. You might already have one if you've ever signed up to a Google service such as Gmail or YouTube. In case you haven't, you will simply have to go to google.com and then to click on the Sign In button. Then click on Create Account and follow the account creation steps. Now, if you already have a Google account, you will simply have to sign into your account and then to go to the google.com/AdSense in your browser to go to the AdSense Services homepage. Once there, you'll have to click on the Sign Up Now button. Now you will be required to enter your sign-up info. Start by entering your site's URL in the Your Website field. Now enter your primary email address in the Your Email Address field. Remember that this email address needs to be the Gmail address that you will use to log in to AdSense. Next, you'll be asked if you want to get helpful AdSense info at that email address. Select Yes if you want to be sent customized help and performance suggestions, or select No if you don't want to receive customized help and performance suggestions. We strongly recommend you to select Yes to allow Google to send you optimization tips that adapt to your needs and performance over time. Right. Once you complete these registration steps, you'll simply have to click on Save and Continue. Next up, you'll have to select your country or territory on the Country or Territory drop-down menu. Then you'll have to review and accept AdSense's terms of service by reading the fine print and then checking the Yes, I have read and accept the agreement box. Finally, you'll simply have to click on the Create Account button. Awesome! Next up, you will be required to enter your payment address details. Enter your address in Address line, enter the name of your city in the City field, select your state from the State drop-down menu, enter your zip code number in the Zip code field, then your phone number, and then click on Submit. Now that your account is fully created, you will need to activate it through your site or blog by adding the AdSense code with your AdSense ID to your site's code. And it is as easy as adding this code snippet between the head tags in your site's code. You can activate your account either through the site that you use to sign up to AdSense or a different site by editing the URL in the URL of your site field. In our case, we are going to edit the URL that we use to sign up, which is our main business URL, in order to add the URL of our AdSense optimized website. Once you're ready to drop the code on your site, you'll simply have to copy the code snippet in this page by clicking on Copy Code. Then you will have to access your site's code to paste this code snippet between the head and the head tags. If you built your site using WordPress like we instructed in our previous video, you will simply have to go to your site's dashboard and, once there, hover over the Appearance tab and click on the Editor option. Now move to the right-hand menu, scroll down and locate the header link. Click on it. Now go to the code editor and locate the head tag. Now paste the code snippet right below this tag and then click on Update File. Go back to AdSense and check the I've pasted the code into my site box and then click on Done. And that is it. All you have to do now is wait for Google to send you an email notification to your Gmail address letting you know that your account has been activated, which can take anywhere between 1 day and a full week. So what will you be able to do with your AdSense account once it is active? Well, tune in to our next video so we can show you what you'll find inside.